Today we're looking at the bird's opening, an opening that white starts with the move f4, a bit unusual because it weakens the king and they're not moving one of their center pawns. Black responds with d5, white plays knight f3 to further attack e5, black plays g6 to fianchetto their bishop, white plays g3 to fianchetto their light squared bishop, both sides develop their bishops, black plays knight f6 to get their king castle next turn, white castles, black castles, white plays d3 to support the move e4, c5 is played by black to further attack the center, white plays queen e1 to support e4, black develops their knight to c6, white plays e4, black captures, white captures, black plays e5 to strike at the center, and white develops their knight to c3.